Come let me teach you Patwa now. Hello everyone. Welcome to Shan's Patwa Academy, Jamaican Patwa Simplified. Can you count in Patwa? Wagwan everybody. Today we are going to count from 1 to 20 in a Patwa. Let's begin. Make we start now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Let's practice using the numbers in context. How much mango you pick? 3 of them. Repeating. How much mango you pick? 3 of them. Now let's break down the sentence and find the literal translation. A means is. How much can either mean how much or how many. How much? Mango is, of course, mango. Yo means you in this sentence. And pick means pick. So the literal translation is how many mango you pick. But of course that doesn't really make any sense grammatically. So the natural translation would be how many mangoes did you pick? So Patwa, how much mango you pick? English, how many mangoes did you pick? Okay. Now the second sentence, 3 of them. 3 of them. Of course, 3 means 3 of. 3 of. And them means them. So the literal translation is 3 of them. So the correct English translation would be 3 of them, and them referring to the mangoes. Now let's practice the Patwa sentences one more time. So please listen and repeat. How much mango you pick? 3 of them. Okay, good job. How much pencil you have in your bag? Ongo one me have. How much pencil you have in your bag? Ongo one me have. Now in this sentence, how much in Jamaican Patois means how much or how many in English. Pencil means pencil. Yo means you. Have means have or has. Now in Jamaican Patois, the verbs don't change. So in English, you have many ways of changing the verbs. In Patois, the verbs don't change. Ina means in or into. Yo means you or your. And bag means bag. So the literal translation would be how much pencil you have in your bag. But of course, grammatically, that doesn't sound like proper English. So the correct English translation, or the more natural way of saying it in English, would be how many pencils do you have in your bag? How much pencil you have in your bag? Now, the next sentence. Ongo one me have. Ongo one me have. In this case, ongo means only. One means one. Me means me or I. And have means have. So, only one I have. That's the literal translation. But in more natural English, it would be I only have one. So, the Patois, ongo one me have. In English, I only have one. So, let's practice the Patois sent question and answer again. How much pencil you have in your bag? Ongo one me have. How much picnic that woman they have? Me no know. About 5? How much picnic that woman they have? Me no know. About 5? Let's break down this question and answer. Once again, how much means how much or how many. Picnic means child or children. That woman means that woman. De means there. And once again, have means have. So the literal translation would be how many children that woman there have. But of course, that's not really natural English. So in a more natural translation, we would have how many children does that woman have? And the Patois once again would be how much picnic that woman they have? The answer to that question, me no know. About 5? Me, once again, means me or I. No means don't. No means no. Bo means about. Sometimes you will also hear boat for this word, about. And 5, as we said before, means the number 5. So the literal translation would be, me don't know about 5. And the more natural English translation would be, I don't know about 5, and we're speaking about children. So once again, the patois would be, me no know about 5. So let's practice these two sentences. How much picnic da woman they have? Me no know about 5. Okay, next question and answer. How much money you have? Me no have no money. One more time. How much money you have? Me no have no money. Now once again, how much means how much or how many. Money means money. Yo means you in this sentence. And have means have. So the literal translation would be how much money you have. But once again, the more natural way of saying it is how much money do you have? And that in Jamaican Patois is how much money you have? Me no have no money. Me in this sentence means me or I. No means don't. Have means have. No means no or any. And money means money. Now if you notice, this sentence has a double negative. So in Jamaican Creole, double negatives are very common. Me no have no money. Literal translation would be me don't have no money. And of course, more natural English, I don't have any money. So let's practice these two sentences again. How much money you have? Me no have no money. How much apple you want? Give me 2. How much apple you want? Give me 2. How much or how many? Apple means apple. Yo means you. And want means want. How many apple you want would be the literal translation, but the more natural English translation would be how many apples do you want? And once again, the patois, Jamaican patois for that is how much apple you want? Now the answer, give me 2. Gi means give. Me means me or I. 2 means 2. The literal translation would be give me 2. But the more natural English translation would be give me 2 or I'll take 2. So once again, let's practice the patois sentences. How much apple you want? Give me 2. Now, today's assignment is using the numbers that you learned, make your own sentence in the comment section below. It can be any sentence as long as there is a number in it, a number vocabulary word in it. So, get writing. We have come to the end of our lesson. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Also, please follow me on Instagram at Chance Patwa Academy, where I post daily Jamaican Patwa vocabulary. Until next time, class dismissed. Little more.